We hope that they have this well to make Israel accountable on its crime. Till now, there is no signs that the international uh, community is really dealing with this mascara and using even the word of genocide. It's not officially adopted in the UN till this moment, and I think that they have still suspicious that what is happening in Gaza is a genocide. So making Israel countable is a little bit still far from be a reality, but as a Palestinian, we are putting a lot of efforts with our friends in the region and other countries who supported our right as Palestinian and going forward with the ICC to maybe achieve some agreements that can make Israel countable. But till this moment, I think that the international community is standing side by side with Israel. And even these decisions of ceasefires is to protect Israel from going so far in what it's doing in Gaza and in the Palestinian case as in general.